Dear friends, what is knowledge? Knowledge is a familiarity, awareness, such as facts, information, or skill, which is acquired through experience, education, or learning. It can be a practical or theoretical way of understanding the subject. It can be more or less formal or systematic. Knowledge is power. Knowledge is like a precious diamond. The more you use it, it lights up the mind like how a polished diamond glitters. Knowledge shall be always in use by way of sharing, receiving, reviewing, revisiting, and learning. It's a continuous process to evolve as a person. This video, I am sharing the knowledge about how to improve the fundamentals of construction. You have a lifetime opportunity to learn online the fundamentals and advanced knowledge of construction and contract practices. Some people will take their lifetime and majority will take 10 to 15 years of their career to learn the same. You can utilize your free time to upgrade your knowledge and be well versed with the fundamentals. I can guarantee you the outcome of this training, if being implemented in your career, it will help you to reach greater height in a short period. The knowledge gain, if it is measured in terms of on-the-job experience, will be equivalent to more than 5 years. The fundamental techniques which you are going to learn are neither being taught in institutes nor being majority of the seniors. This opportunity to up-to-date the nitty-gritties of construction and knowledge enhancement is like never before. You can sit any nook and corner of your house and update your basic skills and improve your knowledge through online. What is covered in this training? Importance of quantity survey and a difference quantity surveyor can make in the construction industry. Contract management and related techniques, site supervision and related techniques, budgeting and cost control. In addition, some of the finer aspects which is covered is listed as hereunder. Establishment of baseline and line out marking on the ground. How to check the quality of cement at your house. How to check the quality of brick on the ground. How to check the verticality of a surface without plumb bob. How to work out the material takeoff. What is quantity takeoff list? What is contract and how the contract document looks like? What are the important clauses to be remembered and understood in the contract document? What is material reconciliation and why it is required? What are the minimum approvals required to start the construction at site? How to check the quality of GI or MS pipe, how to check the size of the electrical wire, etc. and so on. The above are some of the examples of finer aspects which one will understand through experience by following strong fundamentals and nurturing it throughout the career. Why the fundamentals are so much of importance? In this world, without fundamentals, there is nothing exists. Strong fundamentals is the key to success. If you study the lifestyle of all great inspirational leaders of the present and past history who have a long and successful career, it is based on strong fundamentals and nurturing it throughout the career. The most important factor to be considered in the construction is constructability factor. Many of the youngsters may not realize the seriousness of it now, but will definitely understand down the line later. It will be too late then. Better late than never. What is the USP of this training? You will get more than hundreds of actual case studies, lots of on-the-job training examples from a person who has more than 30 plus years of experience in the construction industry. Students and freshers can improve their employability factor to a great extent. They gain confidence to face any situation on actual job site. This training will cover the perspective of every team member of construction, like contractor, client, consultant, designer, subcontractor, etc. People from all disciplines like civil, mechanical, electrical, architectural, students, freshers, and already working professionals who want to make progress in construction and related field, and all those who want to upgrade their knowledge and memorize the finer aspects, nitty-gritties of construction, can attend this training and get the benefit of it. What are the credentials of the trainer? I am Sridhar Bhatt, the lead trainer, a civil engineer with more than 30 plus years of experience, a member of Royal Institute of Chartered Surveyors, a certified internal auditor for ISO 9001 Quality Management System, RICS approved assessor for EPC pathway candidates. Right now, I am pursuing certification for construction claim specialization. My area of experience is in estimation, contract management, project execution, project management, cost management, EPC contract, and budgeting. In the last 30 plus years, I have worked in a small proprietorship organization to big MNC companies. I have the experience of working with client, contractor, consultant, project management, and cost management companies, EPC contract companies, etc. My area of exposure goes from individual residential buildings to big office buildings, industrial infrastructure, government office buildings, high and medium level residential apartments. I have the experience of working from grassroots level to management level. I can understand the problem of everyone from beginners to senior level. I have started my career as a junior engineer, and today I am heading the estimation in a Japanese based MNC. I have the hands on experience of working at site for more than 15 years. I can preempt many of the site related problems, difficulties which many even cannot envisage. The online classes are going to start very shortly. For further details, please follow the screen. Thank you.